Right, here we are looking at the Florence Nightingale £2 coin. There is an error on here. The error, if you have a look very closely, around the Queen's head we are supposed to have dots. You can clearly see that the dots don't go all the way around. This is the centre we're looking at now. You'll see little dots all around the silver. They're supposed to go all the way around. It looks like there has been an error here where it's obviously missed out this section. Just bring it in a bit better for you. There we have it. Let me just turn the coin around so you can have a look. This is what the back of the coin looks like. Let me have a look on the side. There is the other error. It's supposed to say 150 years. As you can clearly see, the number 1 has not been printed in properly. 150 years of nursing. You can clearly see the 1 there is not as defined as all the other letters. The main value in this coin is the fact that the head as well on the front has not been fully printed. These coins, they range from anything from about £50, probably up to about 200 or 300. Obviously depends on the collector and how valuable this coin would be to yourselves. But as you can see, it is a rare coin and there is definitely a minting error here. That's the Florence Nightingale coin, and it's a £2 coin which is circulating in Britain.